Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix BDO online banking error. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If you already have a BDO online banking account, first download the new BDO online app. Now on the login screen tap, need help logging in, or I would like to reset my password. After that, set up your new password. Then log in with your online banking username and password. The password for the old online banking website and BDO, the digital banking app, is unchanged and maintained separately. After that, the error will be fixed and you can use your accounts. So that's basically how you can fix BDO online banking error. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.